Hello friends, welcome to this course. I am Aminullah, and in this course you will learn a complete detail about YouTube, how to create YouTube channel from start to from beginner to pro level to advanced level. So in this course we will learn that how to create what is YouTube and how to create Gmail ID, get ideas for channel and channel type, how to create YouTube channel, how to create channel keywords and description, and how to create social links for your YouTube channel. So in this course we will completely give you detail about from beginning to advanced level, that how we create channel and how to customize channel and what we need to rank on first page. So from start to end we will discuss different ways for ranking on first page. So in this video we will cover these two section, and after that we will cover all these, and we have so much more function here, and we will cover all this. So first we will create these two, what is YouTube and how to create Gmail ID. So for this, first go to Chrome browser or Opera browser or whatever browser you want to use, you can go there. So first of all we will search what is YouTube. So here you will see, you can read about YouTube Wikipedia, that when it was created and who created this, and here you will see complete detail of YouTube, that as you see it's Wikipedia. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. For the channel, see YouTube channel. So here you can read about this completely, that who invented or created YouTube channel. So these three person created YouTube in 2005, and after that in 2006 Google bought this from these three person on 1.60 billion or whatever it was here. So you can read all about this YouTube, and you can see all. So you understand that what is YouTube. Now we will create Gmail ID for our YouTube channel. So it's needed that you have to Gmail ID for creating your YouTube channel. So first of all go to gmail.com, and here you will we will create a Gmail ID. So I will click on first I will remove these two accounts from here, and we will create a new ID. So here if you already have a Gmail ID, just simply enter your email address and click on next and put your password, then you will be signed in. So if you don't have Gmail ID, create account and click on for myself or to manage my business. So click on for myself, and here we have to put first name of me. For example, I will put Amin, and last name I will put ALLAH. So username will be like this. So you can use letter, number and periods here. So it's very easy. So put simple password or hard password, it depends on you. So I'm entering a random password. So I have this first name, and here is my Gmail ID address, and click on sign instead or click on next. So we will click on next, and here it says for confirm password. So the one letter must be in capital, like I am creating so click on next. So as you see that it say me that the username is taken, try another one. So I will click on 2020. So it's a Minullah new 2020 @gmail.com. So click on next. So as you see that Minullah new 2020 @gmail.com is available and I can use it. So here you can put recovery email address, and here you have to enter your date of birth. So I will click random. So gender, select male or female, whatever you want you can select. So here you can add your phone number. So if you want to enter recovery email address, you can enter your another email address if you have. So for example, I will enter so this is my recovery email address. So click on next. So here you see the terms, privacy and terms, and click on next and agree. So now it's creating your Google account. So once it's created, you will be redirected to Gmail inbox, and then your Gmail ID is ready. So you can note this Gmail ID, and later you can sign in with this Gmail ID to YouTube, and then you can create your YouTube new channel. So there is temporary error in Gmail. So when I click refresh, or as you see, when I click refresh, so the Gmail will be open and it will be redirect me to my inbox. So with this way you can easily create Gmail ID. You can not only create one Gmail ID, you can create so many Gmail IDs with this way. There is no limit of creating Gmail ID. You can create unlimited Gmail IDs. So there is temporary error in Gmail. I will be back in few moments when it okay. So as you see, I am now in my inbox and I have successfully created my Gmail ID, and here you see that this is my new Gmail ID. I will copy it. I will note it in my notepad or in my somewhere location. Then later I will not be facing problem for remembering this email ID. So note this email ID and its password, then you will not getting face problem. Then you will not facing problem. So with this way you can create Gmail ID, and we have covered these two, how to create Gmail ID and what is YouTube. So see you on the next video. We will get ideas for YouTube channel and how we can create YouTube channel.